Yeah, hi, good morning. Today I show you a little bit Bay of Budan. I return, so I go back to sea. Parc Natural Regional de Budan. The verdon, sorry. Short view. Sunday they have markets. These are markets. Along the lake of Verdon. Show you, I look if there is possibility for fish here. There's 100% possibility for fish, but I just drop my hook. So, city of Budan. I was looking if there is possibility for fish because here is water. Water is calm. Sorry, the water is calm and can fish better than the waves, but you know, in the sea, fish is better. You can find kind of fish, lots of fish, and here probably just sort of fish. Guys are coming from hotel, from the resorts, wherever you are, by feet. seems in our area will be rain. As you see, the stratus clouds are covering all the sky. I hope not in the south part where I go right now, but our region is probably rainy. More rain comes. I'm not in the coast because one time I remember I have a very bad experience. My companion always told me why we come from this way, and I hope today wouldn't be a problem. You remember Emmanuel Macron was there because of the flood. To houses, I remember we were there. The water was on the street, and it was really horrible, very horrible. I hope today wouldn't be like that. I think it was October, I think. It was on October, yeah. Okay, I'll show you when comes some interesting parts. Again, you see the cloud is overcast, and things aren't rain, but also I see the clouds are moving. It means probably rain will be concentrated in another place. I'm not here because it's my last day probably. Right, this area, as you see, it's this wild area or wild animal here. They are crossing from the way to from the road, one side to other side. And if I continue, I'm not sure if I continue to stay. I would ask if I can go over the mountain. How is that possible? To go by walk, is it possible? Rather, probably it's possible. Once I was with my companion, it was a few years ago, but last year another place in Agay, and comes the wild pig. My companion said, "You're a very bad person." I said, "Why?" You just run and put me out. It's not true, you know. It's not true. Not true. It looks like St Tropez or St Tropez sun, as you see on the right side, southwest, and over the mountain and southeast, probably Nice and Monte Carlo or in Genoa in Italy, to live a rainy day or at least hours, but I see the clouds are in movement. That's why I don't think they will stay here. Probably they will pass France into Spain and further Atlantic. I think they come from the east anyway, and they are moving through. I see they are moving into the west. You can also see how the cloud moves if you follow from which side the clouds are based and which side goes. That's the wind direction, you know. Bring the clouds from one side to other side. You probably heard about jet stream, but it's not here. I had to drive another way, but I choose this way. So I must tank again. See, the way is wet, it means it was rain here. It depends, you know, where you are. Earlier when I was dry, again rain, again rain. Right, I do when it's interesting. It's still not interesting. Interesting, sorry. we have, I just passed by Intermarché. You see we have a rainy day. It's daily sunny. And I drive now south to St Tropez. I hope there is no rain there because unfortunately it would be the rain. The humidity was very high, that's why. But it's good time in the city, you know. The rain is very big. Fish come here. I say go for swimming, but now it's time for it. But we are still in another region, that's why. But I see the clouds are continuous in the coast, even over the sea. I hear from YouTube like more short capital, people watch, but I think my followers like to watch long videos like I present. That's why probably because I show you as you are by yourself here, that's why you like my videos. But as soon as the sun comes or the rain is end, I will cut. I would say now I will cut because something person was interesting me. I mean the road, but the rain making interesting. Anyway, I cut now, but you will not see any of me. Just 1 kilometer. After we are done from here, when we are coming to flats, I will flat land. It's hey, you see now I feel that earlier. I have no bad time because the act is on the way. close. There is actually close. Mist. Haze. Following by the surface. It's coming down. Drive very carefully to the runway air to do the wave to back. That's going out of planning here. Very careful. If that's that, then drive faster. Actually, it's not good for brake. With that, maybe, the brake will not be holding. The lens.